Hello dear students, today we are going to start our new model 8, Spots. Open your books at page 97, exercise 1. Spots and activities. Listen and repeat. Which of these words are similar in our language?
Badminton, water polo, rugby, football, basketball, cricket, hockey, tennis, swimming, cycling.
Now let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them and write down in your vocabularies.
Activity: badminton, basketball, cricket, cycling, football, hockey, rugby, sport, swimming, tennis, water polo.
In exercise 2, you are to answer how often do you do these spots. Now let's remember our grammar. Adverbs of frequency can be used with the present simple to tell us how often something happens. For example, he usually walks to school. How often? Usually. Some of these are always 100%, usually 75, often 50, sometimes maybe 25, and never 0. Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb, but after the verb to be. Let's look at the examples. He usually goes to bed late. She sometimes gets up early, but she's always early. Now let's look and listen to the examples.
They never have babies in the summer. They sometimes get very pink when they are surprised. They often hunt for food alone. They usually eat crabs, small fish and turtles. They are always friendly to people.
And now it's your turn. How often do you do these spots? Listen to the model.
I never go swimming. I sometimes play football. I often play basketball. I usually play cricket. I always go cycling.
And now let's speak about Glasgow School of Sport. Open your books at page 98, exercise 1. Read the title and subheadings and look at the picture. What is the text about?
I think the text is about a school where pupils play a lot of sport. One of the sports is swimming.
Now let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them and write down in your vocabularies.
Boring. Choose. Competition. Good. Like. Many. Medal. Never. Silver. Win.
Now let's read the text and watch the video.
Glasgow School of Sport. The Glasgow School of Sport is Scotland's first school for sports. In fact, it is the only sports school in the UK. It isn't like other schools. At a sports school, there are school subjects like history, English and science. But the students also do sports every day. In a normal school, you do sport once or twice a week, not every day. At the Glasgow School of Sport, there is badminton, hockey, swimming, athletics, and gymnastics. So it's never boring. Can you do these sports at your school? There are 1,100 students at the school. They are from all over Scotland, not only Glasgow. There are many very good athletes at the school. Every year, they win competitions for their school and for Scotland. Is there a sports school in your country? What other types of schools are there?
In exercise 2, you are to read again and answer the question. Where is the Glasgow School of Sport? We see from the text it's in Scotland. What subjects are there at the school? We see they are math, English, science and geography. What sports can students do? It is written badminton, hockey, swimming, athletics or gymnastics. How many students are there in the school? There are 1,100 students at the school. What happens every year? Every year they win competitions for their school and for Scotland. What do many students do when they finish school? According to the text, they become athletes. Which competitions do students take part in? They take part in important competitions like the Commonwealth Games and the Youth Olympics. Who has got a silver medal for swimming? Student Michael Jamieson. And now you are to find 4 school subjects and 5 sports. Look at them: math, English, science, geography, badminton, hockey, swimming, athletics, gymnastics. Which sport can you see in the picture?
I can see swimming in the picture.
In exercise 3, you are to write 3 things you remember about the Glasgow School of Sport. Now let's listen to the example.
The Glasgow School of Sport has normal school subjects. The students also do many sports, including badminton. One student won a silver medal at the 2012 Olympics in London.
In exercise 4, you are to answer the questions. Are there sports schools in our country?
Yes, many are in Shymkent.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
What are your favorite school subjects?
My favorite school subjects are maths and science.
In exercise 5, you are to answer, would you like to attend this school? Why or why not? Let's listen to the example.
Yes, I would like to attend this school. I love swimming and I would like to compete in international competitions.
No, I would not like to attend the Glasgow School of Sport. I don't like sport and don't want to have to do it.
Exercise 6. Do, play or go. Now let's read. We use play with ball sports or competitive games. For example, play football. Go with activities ending in ing. For example, go skiing. Do with all other sports and recreational activities. For example, do gymnastics.
Do karate. Play baseball. Go ice skating. Play golf. Do wrestling. Go bowling.
In exercise 7, we are to discuss which of the sports on the right you like or don't like. Let's use the adjectives fun, fast, exciting, relaxing, or dangerous, boring, tiring, difficult. For example,
I like going ice skating. It's fun.
Really? I think it is difficult. I prefer playing golf. It's relaxing.
I think playing golf is boring. I like playing baseball. It's exciting.
Yes, it is. I like it too. What about doing karate? I like it because it's fast and fun.
I don't agree. I think doing karate is dangerous. I prefer doing wrestling.
I don't think so. It's difficult. I like to go bowling. It's relaxing.
Exercise 8. Look at the pictures. Which equipment do we need to play each sport? Now let's listen to the example.
We need a ball and trainers to play football.
To go skiing, we need skis, poles, and goggles.
We need a racket and a ball to play tennis.
To play basketball, we need a hoop and a ball.
To play cricket, we need a helmet, a bat, and a ball.
And your task is exercise 9. You are to complete the paragraph about your favorite sport. Let's listen to the model.
My favorite sport is cricket. You need a bat, a ball, and a helmet to play it. It's great.